Hello and welcome to the second official podcast of the club, The Fluent Voices. This is Ashi Saluja, currently pursuing Bachelor's of Business Administration in Mittal School of Business at Lovely Professional University. It's my proceed and privilege to have the higher authorities in our podcast today. Today we welcome our guest, Vice President Mehak Arora and Assistant Vice President Soumya Chauhan. Today, we'll deep dive into exciting conversations, carelessly happenings, career dreams, college life, and lot more of fun. So let's start with the podcast today. In the market, in the field, we have lots of courses available. So why did you only bumfuzzle and get into the only one course, that is business administration?
The only way to face them is just face them. You can't escape them. People
class to class promotion is very effective. So I would say
that's because I let myself to be uncomfortable in that position.
Such a big and reputed university, and not me. There are a lot of students who were attracted to this university.
I live outside. I am not a hostler in the college. And when you live outside, there are many struggles that people aren't aware of.
जब तक आप अपने comfort zone में बंधे रहोगे ना, you will be like stuck into that.
Yeah, right. जब तक आप किसी प्रॉब्लम को फेस नहीं करोगे, अपनी रियल लाइफ में आप मैनेज नहीं करोगे, आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा. अब आपको
It's like putting all the bricks with the cement and it will
Exactly.
stand like a wall.
Exactly.
I can't think of any company as a dream that is not mine. Right?
It should be like they should know your abilities. You are capable of doing such things.
आपका प्रॉफिट अफेक्ट होगा, आपका रेवेन्यू इफेक्ट होगा. तो सबसे पहले तो आई विल मेकिंग श्योर लाइक.
Hello everyone, this side Ashi Saluja as your host for this podcast. So today it's privileged to have higher authorities of the club member, the Fluent Voices, Vice President Mehak Arora and Assistant Vice President Soumya Chauhan. So, how are you feeling here?
Amazing.
It feels good to be podcasted.
Okay, so Mehak, could you please walk us about yourself?
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Mehak Arora and I am the Vice President of the Fluent Voices LPU, and it's a pleasure to be the member of the club because since childhood I liked English very much and hence joined the club in LPU as well. So about my introduction, so I am from Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh, and currently I am pursuing BBA honors from Lovely Professional University, specialized in digital marketing. And as of my achievements, I haven't achieved much, but scored a good percentage in my 12th class and did certain internships in many reputed companies as well. Thank you.
That's great to hear, Mehak. Now the question, could you please also like to introduce yourself?
So hello everyone, my name is Soumya and I am first year BBA students in Lovely Professional University. So as I'm a first year student, I don't have much work experience, but I have participated in a lot of CP events, which is Center of Professional Enhancement, and I have won almost 4 trophies till now. And it's been more than 8 months I'm working with Fluent Voices Club, and it's been a great journey. I have learned a lot from my seniors and from our resource person who is Sapan sir, and I'm looking forward for a great journey ahead. Thank you.
That's great to listen and congratulations for your achievement.
Thank you.
So the next question for you, Mehak. Don't you feel that in the market, in the field, we have lots of courses available? So why did you only bumfuzzle and get into the only one course, that is business administration?
Okay, so my father is a businessman and I also always had a passion for business. So that's the thing, I pursued commerce in my 12th grade because I have seen business since childhood. So I had a passion for it since childhood only. But that's not the only reason that I pursued BBA. There are other reasons as well. I want to be a woman entrepreneur in future. So that's the reason that I thought to pursue some course in it first and get myself some good amount of knowledge in the field and then pursue my dreams ahead. So that's the reason that I pursued BBA.
That's so true to hear. Question from you, Soumya. What was that enlightening feature and unique feature you found at Lovely Professional University to pursue your business administration here?
So as we all know that Lovely Professional University is such a big and reputed university, and not me, there are a lot of students who were attracted to this university because we have, as a student who is just passed out from 12th, it is very difficult to find a good college, which is a first step to build your future. So I chose this university because as in this university, there are a lot of events happening, there are a lot of activities which involve students engagement, and they help all students to build their confidence and communication skills, which is very essential to build up your future. So that was the main reason I joined this university.
So next question from you, Mehak. How could you overcome through the challenges? Because you as an event, you try to face lots of problems and challenges during the event. How could you manage it? Please evaluate it.
Okay, so talking about the club or the whole Lily, I will say that challenges are a part of a life, right? Challenges are something that you can't escape of. You have to face them. The only way to face the challenges is the only way to face them is just face them. You can't escape them. People want to escape the challenges. Like they want to try ignoring it, but instead try accepting it. ओके बिकॉज होता क्या है ना कि हम लोग होता क्या है हमारी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, हम कहते हैं यार प्रॉब्लम आ गई है, अब क्या करूँ चलो भूल जाता हूँ, इग्नोर करता हूँ. बट मेरा मानना है उसको फेस करो. जो वो नर्वसनेस होती है ना इवेंट से पहले, कोई भी आप इवेंट कंडक्ट कराते हो या कहीं पे भी आप लाइफ में हो, थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस होती है. इनफैक्ट अगर आप वहां जाके सबके सामने कुछ बोल भी रहे हो, यू विल फील अ बिट नर्वसनेस. तो इंसान पता है क्या करता है, वो सोचता है कि यार मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, मुझे फील हो रहा है कि मुझे कुछ हो जाएगा, मुझे हेजिटेशन फील हो रही है, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. बट मेरा ये मानना है कि आप जाओ, बोलो, आप वहां पे अटको. जब भी आप बोल रहे हो आप हेजिटेट फील करो, तभी जाके आप उसे ओवरकम कर पाओगे. अगर मैं आज क्लब की मेंबर हूँ या मैं तो नहीं मानती, बट इवन इफ आई एम स्पीकिंग अ लिटिल बिट बेटर, दैट्स बिकॉज आई लेट माई सेल्फ टू बी अनकंफर्टेबल इन दैट पोजिशन. Let yourself uncomfortable, like jump out of your comfort zone, not only just move, jump out of it. So that's how you face challenges, whether you are a member of a club or you are facing challenges in your real life as well. This is the only way I feel.
I think आपकी एक बातों से बहुत लोगों ने relate किया होगा.
Yeah.
So next question from you. Do you as a person believe in promotion or sponsorship? If yes, then how do you tackle with it?
So I personally believe that combination of both is very good. But if I talk about the real experience in our club, as we all know, जब भी हमारा club का event होता है, it is very important. ऑल्दो हम करते हैं कि हमने अनाउंसमेंट्स करी हैं, सारी चीजें, सारे प्रमोशनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स हमने यूज किए हैं, बट आई फील दैट क्लास टू क्लास प्रमोशन इज वेरी इफेक्टिव. सो आई वुड से दैट मोर I prefer promotions than sponsorships, and combination of both is really good.
Next question from you, Mehak. As you are in third year now and you're soon going to get your placement, so with this so much of hardship, how are you managing your life, like your academics, your club committees, your event managings, plus you're having your personal life, like how are you going to tie up this?
Okay, so to be honest, I'm still processing it because there's a lot up on my plate. I live outside. I am not a hostler in the college. And when you live outside, there are many struggles that people aren't aware of. Like लोगों को लगता है ना कि यार इसके तो मजे हैं, बाहर रहती है, ये तो घूमती फिरती होगी, बट उन्हें नहीं पता कि उस घर को मेंटेन करने में you started feel like a housewife. Like you are maintaining a house, you are maintaining your studies, even you are cooking for yourself. कितने दिन बाहर का खाना खा लोगे, कितने दिन पैसे उड़ा दोगे, ठीक है? You are getting a limited money, you are getting limited resources. आपको उसी में सब कुछ मैनेज करना है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैनेजमेंट ना सिर्फ पढ़ने से नहीं आता. मैंने बुक पढ़ ली मैनेजमेंट की, मुझे मैनेजमेंट आ जाएगा, नहीं. जब तक आप किसी प्रॉब्लम को फेस नहीं करोगे अपनी रियल लाइफ में, आप मैनेज नहीं करोगे, आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा. अब आपको ये पता है यार मेरे पास इतना ही पैसे हैं, इतने ही रिसोर्सेज हैं, मुझे इससे ही बेस्ट बनाना है. मतलब आप ये मत सोचो यार, मतलब नेगेटिव मत हो कि यार मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है, उसके पास तो ये है, उसके पास तो वो है. आपके पास जो है उसका बेस्ट बनाओ. मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. Whatever the resources, whatever the supplies you have, just make the best out of it. अगर आपके घर में खाने का सामान भी नहीं है ना, आप ये देखो कि क्या है और उसको बेस्ट बनाने की कोशिश करो. वही रियल लाइफ में होता है. अब यहाँ आओ, आप ये देखो कि मेरे में क्या क्वालिटीज है, what am I capable of? Okay, maybe I am a good observer. Let's just observe the things. उसी से आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. Just by looking at the things, you learn a lot. So that's how I manage myself. Like I'm still there, but still I would supposed to say that हाँ हो जाता है, काम चलाने जितना मैं कर लेती हूँ खुद को manage.
That's even right. शायद आई गेस दैट बहुत सारी लड़कियां वहाँ पे इस चीज को रिलेट कर पा रही होगी, दैट इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू लिव अलोन विदाउट योर पेरेंट्स एंड टू मैनेज द थिंग्स अप. बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम.
करेज मिलता है आपको, यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ करेज एज अ वुमन.
चीजें ऐसी होती हैं कि जब तक आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन में बंधे रहोगे ना, you will be like stuck into that.
Yeah, right.
So you're not able to see the whole source out of the world. So
Yeah.
एंड स्पेशली जब हम घर पे होते हैं तो सारा कुछ मम्मा हैंडल कर रही होती है.
Exactly.
Yeah.
घर पे तो मम्मी
It's just like बेड पे बैठे बैठे इवन वो आपको हाथ भी दिलवा देंगे. Just like the five
स्कूल
star
से आके
hotel
सबसे
treatment.
पहले यही होता है कि
मम्मी
मम्मा
कहाँ है, मम्मी कहाँ है.
Where is she? The only one seen. So next question to you, Soumya. What is the perspective for you in the perseverance for a business? How you can operate it? Like a person should has a managerial skill or more to leadership skills, or
So-
maybe both.
Okay. I would like to say that combination of both will be a great thing, because as we all know, a good leader is always a good manager also.
That's good.
Yeah. So I would say that combination of both is very good. And जब भी हम events कराते हैं तो it is not like कि someone is leading and there is no impact of that. मतलब it should be कि दोनों का combination is very good. And if you are a good leader, it is very important that you manage everything around you. No, अगर आप एक अच्छे लीडर तभी होते हो जब आप सारी चीजें मैनेज करते हो एंड वो चीजें एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट भी देती हैं. सो आई फील दैट बोथ थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो वी शुड कंसिडर बोथ ऑफ देम.
Now moving ahead to a thought-provoking round. Here I will be giving you one cases and you have to answer that quickly. So are you excited for that round?
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin. So question comes to you first, Mehak, that just suppose a scenario that you became CEO of your dream company. Then what would be that indelible and effective change you want to make it in that company?
So you said dream company, but I can't think of any company as a dream that is not mine. Right? I want a company that is mine. That is only going to be a dream company for me. If I am the CEO of the company, सबसे पहले I will ensure that people there are not feeling pressured or like यार मैं कहाँ फंस गया हूँ, किस कंपनी में जॉब कर रहा हूँ. I would like to make them feel as a family, क्योंकि जिसके साथ आप काम करते हो ना उसके साथ आपका रिलेशन ज्यादा अच्छा होना चाहिए. योर रिलेशन विद द वंस whoever you are working with should be better than those around you. मतलब एक बार को अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ आपका रिलेशन ठीक नहीं चल रहा ना, चलेगा, बट अगर आपकी कंपनी में आपके वर्कर्स या एम्प्लॉयज के साथ आपका रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं है तो आपके सीधा नंबर्स अफेक्ट होंगे, आपका प्रॉफिट अफेक्ट होगा, आपका रेवेन्यू इफेक्ट होगा. तो सबसे पहले तो आई विल मेक इंश्योर, लाइक आई विल मेक दिस थिंग इंश्योर दैट पीपल अराउंड मी फील लाइक अ फैमिली. I will spread love and peace. Like the work environment around my company should be like a family. Like a family works together to gain the profits and revenue, and not only the profits and revenue, but a big impact in the society. My company, if tomorrow let's suppose अगर मैं अपनी कोई कंपनी चलाना भी चाहती हूँ तो मैं यही सोचूंगी कि यार मेरी कंपनी से how society is getting a benefit, how it is making a welfare of the people. लोगों का भला कैसे हो रहा है. Okay, because होता क्या है ना कि your money can vanish, but your name, your good deeds, that will never vanish. So always try to do good with others, always try to do best for the others, then the best will come back to you in multiple ways and multiplied, of course.
That was a very impactful answer though. So next question from you, Soumya. Just suppose a scenario that you just get a power for one day, but that is just also for one day.
Yeah,
That you get a power for a one day that you can read someone's mind. So who that person you would like to choose to read the mind?
So I would say that if I got the chance to read one person's mind for a day, I would like to read the mind of a resource person who is Sapananand sir, because it is very difficult to manage such a large organization, which is our Fluent Voices Club. And as we all know that we have almost more than 60 members, and it is very difficult for a single person to manage each and every member, how they're like, are they feeling nice in the club, is there any problem, or कुछ भी अगर होता है तो he is very attentive every time. अगर किसी को कोई problem है, and अगर कोई event होता है कुछ भी, he is like every time 24/7 available for each and every member. And his nature is also, as we all know, he is very nice. I would say, like, I would like to read his mind.
That's exactly very interesting. So now moving towards the next round, that is seems like your round. So you have to share your personality in a word or maybe in a sentence. So let's begin with that. So Mehak, it comes first to you. Please explain yourself in a sentence.
So, explaining myself in a sentence, a girl with a soft heart and a personality that seems rude. I don't know. That would be that sentence, because inside whatever I carry, I have to protect that. So I create an aura that is a little bit protective for my softness. So that is a sentence.
It's very great. So now question comes to you. Soumya, can you explain yourself in a word?
Confident, as I belong to Bachelor's of Business Administration, and in this it is very important that you are excel in your communication skills, because ये चीजें हमेशा काम आती है. आप किसी भी फील्ड में जाओगे, these things like हमेशा help करेंगे आपको. So I feel that you should be very confident and you should know how to express yourself in front of others. Like लोगों को ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो आपको कम समझे. It should be like कि they should know your abilities. You are capable of doing such things. And in interview, it is very important that you express yourself and show them that you are an asset for the company. So yeah.
So now moving ahead for the rapid fire round. So who answer first will be the winner. So let's start with the game. So hostel life or home life?
Home life.
Home life. Okay. Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
First bench nerd or last bench or chill?
First bench nerd.
Morning bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Staying in or staying out?
Staying in.
Mountains or beach?
Mountains.
Okay, so last one is for both of the person. One by one you can answer.
Okay.
School life or college life?
College life.
College life.
ओके सो एज यू नो दैट पहले भी हमारा एक पॉडकास्ट हो चुका है जो कि ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड यूट्यूब पे. गाइज अगर आपने नहीं देखा जाके जल्दी जल्दी देखो. सो उस पर हमारे रिसोर्स पर्सन सपन आनंद सर और प्रेसिडेंट अमार खान एज अ होस्ट ओशी नगानी भी थी. तो आफ्टर सीइंग दैट पॉडकास्ट, what do you think that what are their thoughts and how they are working in the club practically? Can you like kind of how can you connect themselves in a real life and a practical life? What are their thoughts that can be changed and indelible for the club?
So I would say that that podcast was really great. And if I talk about my personal experience, sir has been a great mentor, and so as our president Amar Bhaiya. So I'm very much satisfied with the mentorship of both, and because I'm junior only, so I have learned a lot in these 9 months. I have joined this club in the very starting when I joined this college only. So sir was my English teacher. So through him I joined this club, and it's been a great journey. So I'm very much satisfied with the mentorship of sir and the presidentship of Amar Bhaiya.
Okay, so sir is if I have to talk about our sir, Sapan sir, he's a great man. I have never seen such a man in a university. Like, he makes you feel safe. That's the best thing a girl can feel around him. Whenever you go around him, he is never going to stick out of the topic. He only sticks on the topic, and whenever you need any help, he's always available for you. No matter it's particularly in a single subject or it's overall your life. He has been a great motivational speaker as well. He's a great human being as well. So obviously I'm satisfied with his mentorship. And talking about the president Amar, I think he worked hard for the position, and he's been doing a great job. He's a great manager as well, and when it comes to leadership, he possesses some good leadership skills as well.
Okay, so ending with a question that is, like, suppose you get a chance to time travel for a future, and as from now you get a 5 years of chance. After 5 years, at that time, what do you see yourself?
If I would have a chance to time travel and see that, I would decline the chance. Why to go and see myself in the struggles? Because I know after 5 years I will be working very, very hard because I need a life that's full of experiences, that's full of things that I want to experience, and that will be full of struggles. So why should I ruin my today's happiness by seeing that future struggles? So I would not like to time travel.
Same question from you, Soumya.
So I would say that after 5 years, if I would get the chance, so I would see myself struggling and working so hard to build my own business. And yeah, that would be the thing. Because I'm currently working on one. So it will take time. And after 5 years, definitely I will be struggling so much and putting all my efforts so that I can build that project into reality.
It just seems like putting all the bricks with the cement and it will one day
Exactly.
stand like a wall.
Exactly.
So, okay, that is it. Wishing you a very, very best for your upcoming future from me and my audience side.
Thank
and
you.
to bring something very crazy. So that is it for our podcast. Hope you liked our podcast. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So this is Ashi Saluja / podcaster host signing off. Thank you.